Hey guys, I've got an E36 here without an engine, and I've got an E36 out the front that does have an engine. So I'm going to pull an Uno Reverso and swap them around. Now you're probably thinking, where the hecky did this man pull this E36 from? I actually bought a really old Mercedes, which was running, and my friend had this, which is not running, obviously, no engine. So we decided to swap them. Now he has a running car, which is average. And I have this, which is also average mechanically, but inside it is beautiful, man. Have a look through here. This is probably one of the cleanest E36s I've seen. Obviously it's a compact, so the most desirable of the chassis, but inside, man, look at this. It's stunning. The paint's good. Everything is like actually really nice. I've got the next 3 days off work. I'm going to try and smash this out and get the whole thing done before I get back to work. Just pull it out, put it in. This car is also an automatic. The one out the front is a manual, so I'm going to be swapping those over too. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and we'll see how this goes. We're back for day 2 of getting this engine swapped over. Yesterday I got the pedal box done. I ripped out all of the old automatic stuff out of the compact, so it is fresh and ready to go. So today is going to be pulling this engine out, swapping it over, hopefully get all the physical stuff done, and then tomorrow is going to be the final steps, getting it started, getting everything, actually running and kind of buttoned up. A little update on yesterday's. You can see I've run all of the clutch lines across here, down there to the bottom as well. So as soon as we pop that transmission in, we can plug it in. And inside, there you go. Inside you can see we've got 3 pedals now. This was probably the worst part of the whole thing. I haven't even done the engine swap yet, and I can guarantee that this was the worst. Just with how fiddly it is, how cramped, and it's just an awful job, guys. But anyway, moving on with the time lapse. Let's get stuck into it. Hey guys, we're halfway through the X-stall, taking the engine out. Viv is currently on top of the engine. We're really close to getting it out. All of the electronics, all the wiring is done. Inside the car is done. Underneath the car is done. Last thing is just attaching the chain, and then we can pull it off. Like
what in frame?
My genius commentary.
James, you don't record ever. I want daily uploads.
Yeah, because you're not here.
This is ridiculous. Step number 3, remove your engine mounts.
Get the right socket.
What's the zoom like on this? You got none.
0% zoom. Oh yeah, that was the
You know how when Austin films and he like fucking goes bang from the wide angle to like, yeah. I can see how unnecessary that is now.
Yeah. You got legs though. Nice.
Nice.
Engine mount 1 complete. This is on the most ridiculous angle. Let's go. Ooh.
Why don't we do that YouTube magic thing?
That's for the fake YouTubers, man.
It's a real YouTube.
We don't do that.
Not a hinterland.
You'll know in every Hinterland video, every minute of footage that's recorded goes into the video. That's a fact. Yeah, this next video is about 2 hours.
1.5 hours of pot plant content.
Oh, my mom's gonna love it.
Insert the clip here.
I reckon I should make a BMW ASMR video,
Yeah.
which is just the sound of ratchets.
And you scuffling around on the floor.
Yeah, me rolling around, trying to find tools. Nice.
What do we have next?
Now we're doing transmission mounts.
I can't walk backwards, I don't know what's back here. Now that you've crawled out of the car, we're a bit far away from the transmission mount.
I'm finding more tools, man. My tools. Thanks, man. Wow, where are the tools?
SP Tools sponsorship coming soon.
Please. Please, I need it. Alright, I think that's it. Can you pass me a 10mm, 1/2 inch?
Oh, sorry, I thought he was talking to the audience. Break the fourth wall. What am I looking for? 10mm 1/2 inch. Welcome to looking for tools in James's shop. He wants a 10mm, I presume, a socket with a 1/2 inch. That's 14. As you can tell, none of the sockets are where they're meant to be. My presumption is he's used it somewhere.
He has.
Yeah.
And he's placed it somewhere else.
It's a black one.
Oh,
That's not black.
12, 13. I'm just taking inventory so I remember whether to look for the next one.
Wow, you guys are amazing.
Probably
Crap.
edit all that middle stuff out.
Hinterland merch box coming to you guys just for that. That was sick. Oh.
I like it.
Oh.
With my face.
First try.
Yeah, it's fine.
You got it.
Great.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Delicious. I love it.
If you guys like and subscribe, I'm going to send this heat shield out to one of you.
Please don't.
Heat shield with every sticker order.
Okay. One heat shield. Oh man, how many cars am I going to have to take apart?
And just a simple bolt holder.
Just a simple bolt burst.
Please, sir, just one bolt.
One bolt, please.
Get like hit.
We're good to go. Look at this. Alright, let's pull this engine out. Let's give this a little... Oh wow, that's tight. I should probably take this off me. So, yeah, this middle part there.
Oh, photo.
Yeah,
Bench press.
yeah.
Try again.
Hard push.
I actually don't think I'm physically strong enough.
Oh. Yeah, just a little bit further.
Whatever are we going to do?
Just a little bit further.
Where are we going to find a big muscly man around here? It is out.
Did you get a mouthful of?
Oh my gosh! Look at the amount of crap that fell down. Where is that from? It's still falling.
Dirt. Delicious.
Make sure you clean under your window cowls, everyone.
Oh dear.
You guys may be asking yourselves, does this man know what he's doing? The answer is actually yes. He's done this before. As you can see, he's pulled this engine out. As soon as this engine comes out though, that's as far as his knowledge spreads. So
Here's the thing, I pulled this engine out, I pulled this one out, I pulled that one out. Never have I ever put an engine back in a car.
we call him John Pullout. He's a professional pulling out engines.
And it's coming out. It's fine.
Also, fun fact, these are very cheap at BMW to replace. So no excuses for having grey ones.
Alright, where's the 14 that identifies this?
Let's find some more tools.
Tool time! Do you reckon I should have make a tune?
Tool time segment.
Tool time segment. Yeah, every time I have to find tools, I put in.
Like a little jingle.
Yeah, that song's like whip, 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 and the timer goes.
That's also another 16 more tools. Tool time! It's not bad either. Tool time!
I love how you're still holding the light, even though he's looking for tools in the drawer over there.
It's all about the professional lighting at Hinterland.
Yeah, it's also not where I'm working.
Yep, professional lighting at Hinterland.
Also 19.
Oh, tool time again.
Oh. Yes.
Sorry, say it again.
Huh? What?
That's what I get for not recording.
Yeah.
Oh, well, the good news is I think all the fluid's out of that one.
Fresh coolant, that's what we like to see.
It's like a maze of heater hoses back here. Do you think I could get the light?
From which angle?
In his eyes instead of where he's working.
I don't know what's helpful.
You should play some Subway Surfer underneath to keep people. Oh yeah.
I love the feeling of getting pissed off.
So good. The audience are gonna love this.
I don't know if I want to show them this.
I'm trying to get the exhaust over the steering column, and the engine's already massively in the air. Make sure you don't show them the massive puddle down there as well.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that.
This is good. Yes. Oh ho ho. Nice.
Straight to the pile with the rest of them.
Yep, onto the engine wall. Let's go. This car's going to sit for another 2 years. And then I'll make a video in another 6 months saying that I've sold everything. So thanks for watching. Join again for part 2.
No, we're kidding. Tonight we're putting that motor in here.
Yeah!
I'm not going to ring the cops, but if it does happen, I will.
No. Fair enough.
Fair enough?